My name is Sugandha. I am a freelance graphic designer. Mostly I do publication layout designing and I also illustrate. Most of those things have been self-taught. So I felt I needed some mentorship and also some criticism about my work because I didn't know the path that I need to take. And since I had already completed my studies up till MSc, so I felt this short-term course would be a good opportunity because it's just a 3-month course, but also I got to learn the basics of everything, design, of photography. I like the editorial design class, the basics to design class and all. It's been really good for me just to attend the class, to be in an environment where we are helping each other out because it's been a long time learning something physically. You can't learn everything virtually on YouTube like I had been doing for the past 4 years. So my experience has been pretty well at this institute.